The gun ranch project was really cool because I got to go back and see a place I grew up going to. It's beautiful. We got to fix some roads that really needed to be fixed and just had a good time doing it. Got to show off some great case equipment and showing the drag scraper hooked up to the dozer. And so there's just a lot that was really cool, and it's a magical place. Like anything, any job's got its challenges, broken windows, busted hoses, but the machines never failed. Nothing, job stopping ever really happened. We made it work. We got the roads done. And shout out to Jeff from Case at Tomahawk. He was our MVP, just made stuff happen. And, Case Construction, can't wait for more projects. And I hope you enjoy the series. And I can't wait to make more series because it's just fun and it's always going to be out in the great wide open or something interesting, and then making sure that, we're showing off how great the case machines are. I think what you'll find most interesting about the series is that that's in Northern California and it looks like it's in just like some wild mountainous place. But yeah, that's Northern California. That's what it looks like where I'm from back home. That's what it looks like when I was growing up, and a lot of those roads I've been riding since I was 12. So it was cool fixing the big washouts, and it needed a lot of work, and we got in there and did it like 7 days.